What's up, everybody? This your boy Eric from Eads Computer Solutions. So I made an audio test video of the HTC U12 Plus, how low the mic sound. And in that video, I put the Galaxy Note 9, and a lot of people in the comments was asking me, wow, the HTC U12 Plus cameras look pretty good. Could I put these two head to head? Now, I've already made an all nighttime low light video between both of these devices. I will leave that link down in the description. Also, the audio test video, I will also leave that link down in the description. But a lot of people was asking me, easy, can I do a daytime test between both of these devices? Sure I can. So today, guys, I'm going to do video comparison between the HTC U12 Plus and the Galaxy Note 9. And yes, I cleaned the camera lens. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready, because there's no excuses. And follow me on this journey. Let's go. All right, guys, so this is the HTC U12 Plus and the Galaxy Note 9. And I'm shooting this at 1080p, 30 frames per second on both devices. And both devices have optical image stabilization. So let's see what it's all about. Now, I'm walking here and I do have some wind blowing. So it's gonna be pretty interesting to see how the audio is gonna sound on both of these devices. So let's go ahead and check this out. Let's get into this tree here. And you be the judge for yourself when you're looking at these details. And as you can tell, the tree is moving. And so the camera have to kind of do a lot of focusing at this point. And there it is. All right, so this is 1080p, 60 frames per second. Now the Galaxy Note 9 at 1080p, 60 frames per second, you can film up to 10 minutes. So you do have filming restrictions, but on the HTC U12 Plus, you do not. So let's get into this tree. One of the biggest issues with Android devices is slow focusing at 1080p 60. And I've been seeing some huge improvements, but there it is. So as you can see, some of the improvements with 1080p 60 frames per second, and I fussed about it a lot last year in 2017, and those problems has been resolved. So let's go ahead and walk. Now both devices got the 845 processor, 6 gigs of RAM, but the cameras are different. And as you can see, and I'm looking at the viewfinder, all of them is just beautiful. Both of these devices, cameras are just excellent, but you be the judge for yourself. Now, the HTC U12 Plus is a nice underrated phone. You can pick it up about $750 to $800, and we all know that the Galaxy Note 9 is $1,000+ device, but it is what it is. So here it is, 4K recorded on the Galaxy Note 9 and the HTC U12 Plus. Now again, the Galaxy Note 9 has a 5-minute restriction on 4K 60 frames per second, but the HTC U12 Plus does not have a restriction on 4K 60. So there it is. And I'm gonna go audio from side to side so y'all guys can hear the audio. Let's go and look at the sky transitions. Let's pan around and let's get into this tree real fast so y'all guys can see some of the quality of 4K at 60 frames per second. Boom. There it is. So look at that. Which device give you the clearer picture? And I did clean the lens on both devices before I shot this video. So it's no excuses. It is what it is. And you tell me in the comments about the quality of the audio. Pan around. Let's look at that. which one give you the perfect shot. Just beautiful, just beautiful. All right, so I want to correct myself here. The HTC U12 Plus does have a restriction of 5 minutes as a recording. So both devices is limited to 5 minutes of 4K 60. So I do want to make that correction. Not just the Galaxy Note 9, but the HTC U12 Plus does have a 5-minute restriction when recording in 4K. Just so you know. No fluff, no passes. And let's see if we can get some focus points here. Look at the detail. Which one give you the better detail here? All right, boom. Focusing, 4K 60. Look at that. And I'm gonna put my hand in front. See which one go focus the fastest. Boom. Now you do got blur effect here, over there. And you don't have blur effect there, but you had some blur effect there on the HTC U12 Plus. So the main focus is on the tree, as you can see. So that is 4K 60 frames per second on the HTC U12 Plus and the Galaxy Note 9. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solution. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the HTC U12 Plus in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.